Shall give a round of applause.
Sir Eric.
Congratulations, Halima. Next, best in theoretical also, RJ Israel. She is not here. Congratulations, RJ. Most improved award, Sophia. She's not here also. Congratulations, Sophia. Compassionate Caregiving Award, Jenny Matiliano. Congratulations, Jenny. Next award, Most Reliable Caregiver Award, Marquez Lopez. Ayan, hindi panalo ka lang. Next award, Leadership in Care Award, Josela Atienza. Next award, Excellence in Patient Award, Marlene Deharan.
Tingnan mo, parang di bagay yung
Mabasa mo
patient.
ka.
Nagmamalita.
Congratulations, Marlene. Next award, Excellence in Patients Award, Gemma Tumindi.
Idol ko yan. Idol ko yan.
Parang hindi nang masaya. Congratulations, Jemar. Art of Caregiving, Natalia Daquila. Congratulations, Ate Natalia. Most Resilient Award, Roslyn Vermosa.
Sir, malungkot sir, malungkot.
Yan, hindi yata masaya. They're not happy.
May pera daw dapat.
Utang muna. Reliable Helper Award, Hanil Ula. He's not happy, oh? Congratulations, Hanif. Don't cry, huh? Yay! Hey, this is the most awaiting award. Top students inspire others to aim higher. Who? Who is the top five?
Ani.
Yes. Top one. Yes. Yes, top one. Top two. Top three. Ako na lang lahat. Then from the top 5 students goes to Carlos Mancini. Together with the family or relatives, can you join Donnie? Nakisama ka ba? Yes, family of Donnie, friends. You can come with Donnie, take a picture. Gamay big na Congratulations, Donnie. Top 4. Guess who? Top 4.
Ahmad.
Top 4 goes to Halima Mustafa. Ang kata dito.
Diyan, top 1. Top 1.
Well, the family of Halima. Give Halima a round of applause, guys. Then our top 3 students, Kashlyn Balangay. Top 2 students, RJ Israel. Then the other top students goes to Muhammad Ibrahim Mahfouz. Alf Mabruk, Mahfouz. Then the top 1 student. Hey. Goes to Rhea Humalo. Where's the mother? Your mother is so proud of you.
Ang liligawan ko kuya.
Rhea, please remain at the stage. Then we will hear the speech of our top 1 students.